So, as you can tell here, we have a water problem. We're going to need to identify the location of this leak, which could be a few different places, one being here at the evaporator drain pipe, and the other being the condensate pump, which is this thing here. And as you can tell, it is so backed up, we have water coming out from under the unit. And before jumping into fixing this, I want to show you where the water is coming from in the first place. Grab this video off YouTube because I haven't opened mine yet. But this is the evaporator. The evaporator creates some condensation, and the unit is designed in a way where that condensation is supposed to gather in this pan and then flows out your drain tube. And my drain tube dumps into a condensate pump, which is this thing here. Once the water reaches a certain level, it then pumps the water out of the house. Since the condensate pump is the easiest thing to get to, we're going to start inspecting that. First, we want to unplug it. Next, we want to pull the condensate pump off the unit so we can get a better look at it. We want to inspect to see if there's any issues that would cause this thing not to be pumping water. Alright, so this thing is disgusting, as you would imagine, from sitting in water all the time, so we'll give it a quick clean here in a little bit. We'll let that Dawn dish soap do its thing for a few hours, and then we'll go ahead and start addressing the actual pump. As you can tell, there's a buildup all over all the pieces, so we're going to go ahead and wipe those down. And while I'm doing the wipe down, I'm checking all the pieces to make sure nothing's bound or nothing's loose. As far as I can tell, everything seems okay. Whoops, I didn't realize these still had power going to them. Just be careful there. I'll put this on the run. And I'm taking these off so I can get the pump drain tube disconnected. I want to check and make sure nothing's going on there, no clogs, and everything looks okay. It is a little yucky, but it doesn't seem like it'd be a problem. I am going to go ahead and clean it since we'll get it out, though. But I've seen it coming out right here. I think it's because this is clogged, causing the water to build up and just flow over the sides. So next, now we're going to see if this is clogged up. So this is not the right tool apparently to use. I can't get around that 90. I thought it would have been flexible. I could kind of get around the corner there, but I can't. So I'm going to have to take this off. And as you can tell here, just moving it around does free up some water. So hopefully once I take this off, we'll find our problem. Oh yeah, there we go. There she blows. Oh yeah. That was the problem. So this is clogged up. Gotta be. And as you'll be able to tell, this right here is our problem. Seems that P-trap had a serious clog in it. Now we just got to get everything put back together and see if this fixed our problem. Alright, we're about 3 to 4 weeks later, and as you can tell, the water's all gone. The fan helped get rid of all that, and our pump has been working excellent. We don't have any more leaks. So far, so good. This is one of those items that you're going to want to check probably annually. I'll post a couple maintenance schedules here at the end of the video, and it is one of those things, if this is in a finished area, it can cause a lot of damages. So luckily mine's in the basement, you know, just a little bit of a hassle for me, but you know, if yours is in a finished closet or in the upstairs or even in your attic, check this out. Alright, I hope it helps.